In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update CapCut on the Google Play Store and turn on auto update. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check whether CapCut is up to date, how to install the latest version if it isn't, and how to make sure updates happen automatically in the future. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app with the multicolored triangle icon. Once you're in the Play Store, go to the search bar at the top and type CapCut, then select it from the results to open the app's store page. This takes you to the place where you can see the current status of the app on your device. On the CapCut page, look for the main button under the app's name. If you see a button labeled Update, that means a newer version is available for your device. Tap Update and the download will begin right away. You'll see a progress indicator as the Play Store downloads and installs the update. Just keep the app open and let it finish. When it's done, the button will switch to open, confirming that you've successfully updated CapCut to the latest version. If, when you land on the CapCut page, the button already says open, you're all set, your CapCut is already up to date, and there's nothing else you need to install right now. You can tap open to launch the app if you want to start using it immediately. To save time in the future, you can enable automatic updates specifically for CapCut. On the CapCut Play Store page, look toward the top right corner for the auto update option. Tap it to turn it on. With auto update enabled, the Play Store will automatically install new CapCut updates as they become available, so you don't have to check manually. This helps you get the latest features, performance improvements, and security fixes without any extra work. If you prefer to control updates on your own, you can leave auto update off and simply return to this page from time to time to check for the update button. Either way works. Auto update just makes it hands-free. That's it. Open the Play Store, search and select CapCut, tap update if you see it, or open if it's already current, and use the auto update option in the top right to keep it up to date automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with the latest version of CapCut.